In Brightview Valley, a rookie farmer named Lulla learns the ropes from seasoned neighbors as Dawn paints the barn red. She guides Dawn chores from milking to feeding, while the farm dog herds giggling chickens and the rooster insists on a dramatic crowing. A sudden power outage shuts down pumps, forcing clever improvisation with wind and bucket brigades, turning frustration into teamwork. Even with mishaps, the day ends with a harvest of sweet tomatoes and a community potluck where mistakes become stories. The episode closes with a lesson that patience and humor can grow crops and friendships.